Welcome to our new vocabulary spotlight, where we take one word, define it clearly, and show you how it works in real life. Today's word is mandatory, a word you'll often hear in school, work, or legal situations. Let's break it down with examples and see how it compares to other similar or opposite words. Mandatory means required by law or rules, something you must do. It's not optional. Wearing seatbelts is mandatory in most countries. Attendance at the training session is mandatory. Wearing helmets is mandatory on this construction site. Math and English are mandatory subjects in high school. Attendance at the meeting is mandatory. This rule is mandatory for everyone. Mandatory evacuation orders were issued. Similar synonymous words in English. Compulsory, often used in education or legal contexts. Physical education is a compulsory subject in many schools. Es una palabra que significa obligatorio por norma o ley, muy parecido a mandatory, pero se usa especialmente en contextos escolares, académicos o legales. Obligatory, slightly more formal or legal. It is obligatory to file taxes every year. Required, the most neutral and general synonym. ID is required for entry. Opposites, antonyms in English. Optional, not required, left to personal choice. The workshop is optional but recommended. Voluntary, done by free will or choice. Participation is voluntary. Quick recap. So remember, if something is mandatory, you must do it. It's not a suggestion, it's a rule. If it's optional, you get to choose. Use the right word depending on how strong the obligation is. Want more quick videos like this? Check out the full playlist and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English in context.